The more the merrier. Okay, and then I will now share the agenda. If I can find it. Okay, I think we are good. So hi everyone, my name is Rashan and I'll be the host for the Kubernetes version 1.33 release meeting. Today is February 12th, 2025, and we are in week 5 of the release cycle. Just a reminder for the code of conduct, please be aware that this is a Kubernetes community meeting, which falls under the Kubernetes code of conduct, which can be summarized to be excellent to each other. So thank you all. Just another reminder that this meeting is being recorded and will publicly be posted to YouTube. So please be mindful that what you're saying is being recorded. So we can start with the open discussions. Doesn't appear that we have anything there. Does anyone want to mention anything before we move on? If not, we can get into the team updates. So let's start with enhancements with Arkham. So I see you're here, but you're on mute if you're trying to talk. I'm not sure I can hear. Can anyone else hear him?
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, now I can hear you.
Okay. Sorry for the microphone problem. So
No
yeah, I'm
worries.
from the enhancements team, or Koshaha Enhancement Shadow. So the our current status is green. We are having 88 caps this time, out of which 39 are in alpha, 24 are in beta, 23 are in stable, and two has been deprecated. Like two are for like deprecation. And by status, we have 46 tracked and 36 are at risk. So we have done the second round of outreach on the at risk ones. So if anything gets updated at the last moment, we'll be doing that by end of today. If not, then we will be going ahead. Like they already have the information that they need to raise an exception in that case. So that way we are good.
Okay, thank you. Any questions for enhancements before we move on? If not, we can move to release signal with Chang Hao.
I am our red signal status is green, and there were two failing tests on the master info name about the scale currentness and scale performance just pop up. The job pop up on that Saturday. However, they were fixed yesterday, and the scale performance was next job is turned to green, and we will keep watch scale currentness the rest next round turn out green. And our faculty tasks are all non-blocking, and we will start to follow the sick people about the non-block signal today, and we will send an update for the APA 2 cut on Saturday. And about the general reminder for the branch manager, the Go 1.24 release today. Yeah, that is all our update.
Okay, thank you. Any questions for release signal before we move on? If not, we can move to docs with Rayan.
Hi, am I audible?
Yes.
Thank you. Hello, guys. Good evening, good morning. So our current status is green. Our update is that branch sync PR is merged. We have raised the version 1.330 alpha point 1 release note PR, and we are getting reviews from other team members. Our next step is we will send the first set of reminders to all caps that have tracked the status by today or tomorrow. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Any questions for Docs? If not, let's move on to comms with Ryota.
Folks, this is Ryota from Comms, and our progress and our current status is green. You can find the progress in the tickets mentioned there, and also from the previous update last week, we have corrected the entitlement setup, so everything is complete on that end. The project board has been adjusted to allow easy tracking, and there are a few things that are still to be updated, some follow-up action needed. We are well in on the schedule, and also the following up on the enhancement freeze will track that with the enhancement team. So yeah, I think that's the update for us.
Okay, thank you. Any questions for comms before we move on? Not, we can go to release branch management. There doesn't seem to be any updates there. Emeritus advisor Angelos, assuming maybe he's not here. Update from release lead Nina. I guess we can just moving so I can see it properly. Yeah, just giving kudos to the enhancement team, and then the small PR that we have for version 1.33 for the release, so there's that as well. For SIG scalability, doesn't seem that there are any updates as well. I saw someone was editing. I don't know if you would like to add, or there's nothing to add for right now. If not, then I will go ahead and stop the recording.